I will never look at ceiling vents the same way again. After hearing this chilling tale, Sophia, a college student, thought the faint coughing from her ceiling vent was just an animal. She called maintenance, expecting a simple fix. But when the worker looked inside, he froze. "Ma'am, you need to leave this apartment," he said, trembling. Confused and insistent, Sophia demanded to know why. The worker reluctantly showed her his phone. Inside the vent, a man's face stared back, cold and unblinking. That night, as she tried to sleep, a whisper echoed from above. "You weren't supposed to see me. Now, I have to come down." Suddenly, the lights cut out. Darkness enveloped her. The last thing she heard was the vent cover sliding open. And then, silence. Would you dare to stay? Or would you run? Subscribe for more chilling tales. Because sometimes, the scariest things are hiding right above you.
Subscribe for more.